Louis, I want to talk to you a little bit about inherited IRAs. I believe you have a personal story to share?
Yes. My mom had a heart attack at 59.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And this was back in 2015. And so my sister and I both inherited an IRA from her. And at the time, we are able to stretch out the required distributions that we have to take each year for the rest of our lives.
Okay.
One of the biggest changes that's happened in the last 5 or 6 years was with the SECURE Act. And when the SECURE Act passed, it changed an inherited IRA when going to the next generation from a stretch IRA, being able to take the distributions for the rest of their lives, to a 10-year rule.
Wow.
They have to withdraw all the money by the end of the 10th year after somebody passes. And what that's leading to is just a huge tax time bomb.
Yes.
And the government has their hands in this pie. Is there a strategy? What can I do? Are the big questions we get. What can I do to shift this money to where that future growth is no longer taxed? And when it goes to my kids, it's no longer taxed. And we have so many tools in our tool belt to help people navigate that situation.
Louis, I can't think of a better time for people to call in and take advantage of that, because obviously everyone deserves to have their own tax map drawn out for them so they know exactly what the implications of taxes will be, especially with inherited IRAs. And it goes all hand in hand with proper legacy planning.